Hello there and welcome back. In this video, the part 4 of my Butter project series, I'm going to talk to you about query strings and how you can pull the information of your queries with the help of a context root and decide further actions based upon the information that was specified in the query. So let's say you have this web shop, forum or wiki page where you want to fabricate URLs, and these URLs look something like this. So let me import first from the bottom the route, the run, the template, and well, basically we will also need the request, and we will create a route for our wiki page. And when I hit this context root, I want the associated function called wiki page to at first just print the query string that was provided. So let's say our wiki page has a page ID and maybe a section ID. So the page ID will come from the request.query.page ID. The section will come from the request.query.section. So the query string may look something like this in our case. So wiki page question mark page ID equals 10 and section equals B. So first we would like to return template with the following look. So the requested wiki page ID and section. I have just noticed that here we forgot to give it the proper naming. So the page ID is going to be equal to page ID and the section is going to be equal to section. Let us run our Butter server. So the host is localhost, the port is 8080, and the debug equals true. Let's see how well this fares. So run it, and let's hit our default context root. It was not found, it's perfectly fine. But when I hit the wiki page, I can see that the requested wiki page and nothing more. So basically what we could do is create a, let's say, fail-safe solution. So if there is nothing specified in the query string and they hit the wiki page context root, we want to give it some default values, and let's run it again, and voila. Let me add the section and let's restart our server. Now, if I hit it with the specified query, I should get a different answer. As you can see, the requested wiki page is stamp and the section is B, just like I specified in my query. So this is what I wanted to show you in this part. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.